So we're at the house where the lady called that water was coming out of a smoke detector, but it's not from our AC. Our AC drain pan's dry, secondary and primary are both dry, and the AC is on the first floor. The unit's on the third floor, so it's definitely not from our AC unit. So this is the smoke detector that was leaking water. You could tell by the sheetrock something is currently leaking, or they patched it up, because something's very different on that sheetrock right there.